Hello friends, Yash Mehta here. So 2 days back, we have uploaded a video on Adani Power, and as you can see, the stock had rallied from 104 to 164 levels, which is almost 60% rally in around 60% rally in 2 days. So, really, this video is if it is helping someone, then you can definitely like our videos and also subscribe to our channel for more educational videos in future. So today's stock is special, and as I got a request for some penny stock video analysis, so today I've selected a good company in penny stocks, which is trading below 10 rupees, and it has the potential to become a multi-bagger also at current market price. So let's check the stock name and charts. So this is the stock name, Genex Laboratories. So as you can see, the stock is trading at around 6.38 rupees, and it is only listed on BSC. We will check fundamentals of the company later on, but let's check the technical aspect of this company. So as you can see, this is a major resistance for Genex. It is almost 5 years old resistance, and this particular line, and it is at around 7.88 rupees. So if the breakout happens above this level, then probably the stock will complete a rounded bottom formation in this and will move higher. And currently, as you can see, the stock was facing resistance at this particular level, 6.06 rupees, and it gave a breakout at this level, and recently it had completed a retest of this particular level. So currently the stock is trading at near to this breakout level and giving a low risk opportunity for the new positional traders. So one can look to add this stock at around this level, and slightly, and even if it goes slightly lower, then also you can add this stock. The stop loss for in this particular trade would be at this level, 5 point around 5.3. And if it is a very high risk bet currently because it is a penny stock, so take proper quantities in this according to your risk profile. So this was all about the technical on a weekly time frame. If I just switch to daily, then as you can see, this was a resistance for this stock we have discussed, and it gave a breakout about this, and now it has retraced at this particular level. And while retracing, you can see here, so volumes are on lower side. Then again it moved up, so volume start to rise at this particular level. Again it retraced, so volume were lower, and when it is trying to go up, so volume are on higher side. So which clearly indicates that the buyers are active in this, and they can take support. The stock can take support around this level, and we can see an up move in this particular stock. The target for this we will calculate based on the range calculation on in this particular stock. So I'm calculating this high and this low. So if this breakout happens, this breakout had already happened in this. So target based on this particular line breakout will be around 8.72. And suppose the stock breaks this particular line as a resistance line, then we will see a rounded bottom completion in this stock. And the target based on this particular breakout in long term, I would suggest it will be little longer compared to our original target for 8.72. So the target for this would be uh, around 14.48, around 14.5. So a medium term trader can look to buy this particular stock for a target of 8.72 and wait for a breakout above this 7.88. If it gives breakout, then the target would be about around 14.48 in Genex Laboratories. And if it breaks all time high, then again we will have to check what's the analysis in this. So this was all about the technical aspect. So let's check the fundamentals. So currently the stock market cap is very less, 85 crores only. The book value is 2.93, and price to book will be around one is around two. And if you see the uh, profit and loss statement, so the company's profit sales is increasing. As you can see, the company's EPS is also increasing, but the company is not paying any dividend. The balance sheet, if we check, then the company reserves is increasing and the borrowings are very much in control. So company's fundamental is strong. And if we look at the promoters holding, so company's promoter holding is almost the same, around 22.05 to 06 percentage. And if we check promoters pledging in this case, then so as you can see here, uh, so the company's promoter pledging is zero. There is no pledging in this particular stock by promoters. So which is a fundamentally good sign for this particular stock. You can check the data on your own platforms. And just to conclude this video, so the positional trader can look to grab this stock at around the CMP and on dips as well. The target could be around 8.72, and if this breakout is confirmed around above 7.88, then the target would be 14.48. So a medium to long term trader, positional trader, can look to trade in this particular stock, and it is a penny stock, so bit risky. So take appropriate quantities in this case. There is a disclaimer also with this video. We are not SEBI registered, so hence consult a financial advisor before taking any trades based on the analysis shared in this video. You will be responsible for the profit and loss that you incur on the trade that you take. Thank you, guys.